Meaning of dyke.
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 Dyke. Dyke can have several meanings depending on the context. It can refer to a barrier used to hold back water or a lesbian who is perceived as having a more masculine appearance or demeanor. In some cases, it may also be used as a derogatory term towards women who identify as lesbian or bisexual. It is important to note that the term dyke has historically been used as a slur and can be offensive. Therefore, it's advisable to avoid using it unless you are sure of its appropriate usage in a specific context.